Hello friends, today we learn this foam basket. So let's see what all material we require for this. We need foam sheet, any color you can choose, cutter, circle cutter, motifs, any other thing you can use. I'm using these motifs. Sequins or any other decoratives you can use, as I'm using some of the beads and these are the rhinestones. And you need pipe cleaner. These material is available on any craft shop, on any stationery shop. So let's cut. So this is the circle cutter from Martha Stewart. These are the blades. So we put the one blade is already there, so we take it out like this from here and put it here. It is easy to remove and attach them, and the circle which we are making is of approximately 8 inches, not exactly 8, it's 7.75. So let's cut the circle. Just you have to rotate it by taking the proper center and just rotate it. See, I get an easy circle, and it helps not to waste any paper or anything. It is very useful thing. So now for this, first we take one center of approximately 4 inches center. It is a 4 inches circle. Make a circle in the center. After this, we have to cut it with equal distances. Hope it is clear in the video. Please share in the comment box if there is any suggestion for the same. So we got our cuts here. Try to make the distances at the same. Now we use our hole punch. It is a normal punch from Kangaroo, and every time when I cut, I used to save these small circles, as we can use them later on for any decoration or anything. So let's take them out. Now let's punch them. You have to punch circles at the corner. See, like this. We'll make it here. Yeah, right. I'll do it a bit fast. Hope it is clear to all. Now we take a ribbon, and also I'll save these again. Yeah, just take them out so we can use it later. Now we take ribbon. I have to silver ribbon and just take out approximately 12 to 18 inches ribbon to cover this circle. It is approximately 18 inches, right? Always secure your ribbons and all with pen or something. Now I am using here one tweezer so that I can easily take out my ribbon from the circles. from the hole punches. So we have to overlap them one over the other like this and take out the ribbon from them like this. And now we have to sew it. Okay, from one edge to edge we have to overlap every part. And now from inside out like this you have to make, and please be careful so that the ribbons are straight. This is the tweezer. It takes a bit time, but it will be done. And just try when you make it just to give it a curve so that your basket will come in a round shape like a curve one. Right, just stretch it a little bit from one corner to other. You can easily make, okay, like this. Yeah, let's do it fast. You have to make equal gaps so that you'll get a like this. I think one was missing, so let me correct it. Yeah. Now make a knot at the end so it will secure at one place. Your basket will not move and you can easily use it later. This you can use for your gifts or anything, and I agree, girls like a lot. Like this we have to make a knot. You can cut the extra ribbon. Right, yes, we got this. Now take your pipe cleaners. I took 3 colors of the same family, so let's bind them: blue, white and light blue. Now you have to twist them. To make a handle, we twist them so it will be a bit stiff and you can easily stick to them to the both sides. Just twist them round and round like this. Now at the one end, at the one end of the corner, just put it like this. As these are pipe cleaners, so you can easily fix them. Just bend it inside and twist it like this. Yeah, you don't need to stick it or anything, just twist them. Same with the other side. Again we twist them. Yes. So our basket is ready. Now let's do some decoration in this. I'll be using these motifs. These are from Dress My Craft. For any link of the material, you can comment in the comment section. I'll share the link with you. Now I put some hot glue and stick them. Yeah, like this. On the handle we have stick so that it will look beautiful. And at the base we'll stick rhinestones. Like this. Be careful with hot glue, otherwise you'll burn yourself. Now let's stick. So we stick it all over our basket so it looks nice like this. Some are left here, so we'll take 2, 3 more. Yeah, here. One more. Right. So our basket is ready. Now let's stick the flower in the center. You always have to cut at the bottom, but you have to bend it, okay? And now let's stick it in the center of the handle. Let me show you. Like this. Yeah. Right. So how's the basket? Now you can keep anything. So let's put some flowers in this. I have these flowers, so I'm keeping them inside, just to show you the capacity of the basket. Like this flower. So this is our basket, and this you can use as in return gifts also. You can put some chocolates. For boys, you can put some magnets, fridge magnets, or anything you can put in this. These are already done. See these baskets. Beautiful basket. So hope you like them all. So please comment in this comment section, and please like, share. And thank you, and have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and obviously make them more and show it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.